Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've made several videos on how to draw this lamp and draw this curvature. And I just made one the other day on with using the blend tool, and it by far is the best way. But one of my viewers had not watched that one evidently and suggested using a line and snap to instead of counting. So we're going to do it because it might benefit you someday further down the road on something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that node right there, but I've got to back out to be able to see the other one. So I'm going to draw a straight line from that node, and it snaps to that node to the top of that node. So now I've got a line. And his suggestion, and he's very right, is let's zoom in here so you can actually see this, because I was having to count. So if you wanted to select all these nodes and then grab the top node and hold down your control button, because it's going to make you go straight down, and then just so this way you don't have to count, and it's pretty easy. And this isn't as quick as the blend tool, but it would definitely work. Now if you notice, you can actually get off that away, but it's going to snap to that edge, and you can see it that it's straight. Let's do one more and call it good. So I'm just holding down the control button, and then that way they're all going to be in line. But I still think my blend tool is better, but there might be a situation where you can't blend them because the shapes are different shapes or something. So you can use a line and snap to that line. And if you want to know where, make sure you know snap to is under view, snap to object. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.